Welcome to Pinecone Path, a comprehensive year-long curriculum designed specifically for 4 and 5-year-olds in the year before kindergarten. This program is deeply rooted in the science of reading and the evidence-based Seeds of Learning framework to build essential literacy, oral language, social skills, and executive functioning. Our goal is to balance joyful, playful learning with explicit instruction to ensure every student is a fluent reader by 3rd grade. Let's look at your core resources. The Implementation Handbook is your primary roadmap, providing guidance on classroom setup, routines, and play center management. You also have 10 topic-based teacher's manuals covering units like School and Me, Birds and Plants, which contain your daily morning meeting, reading, and vocabulary lessons. For targeted instruction, the Small Group Teacher's Manual provides sequenced lessons for letter names and letter sounds, writing, and optional oral language development. For whole class learning, you'll utilize a curated set of 31 trade books, featuring grade-appropriate fiction and nonfiction for repeated read-alouds. To build deep vocabulary, the program includes 180 vocabulary picture cards and a pocket chart for explicit instruction. Meet Pinecone the Bear, a stuffed companion used to make oral language activities interactive, and the What Is It bag, which taps into student curiosity during transition songs to build vocabulary. Finally, post these 26 alphabet wall cards at eye level to serve as a constant reference during morning meetings. Small group time is supported by specialized tools designed for hands-on practice. Student pairs will use these 6 sets of student letter cards for sorting and matching games to build alphabet knowledge. The handheld alphabet cards feature picture mnemonics on the front and articulatory gestures on the back to help students learn exactly how their mouths move to make sounds. For students needing extra support, utilize the 54 oral language development cards during optional small group sessions to build foundational vocabulary and sentence-building skills. To enrich your play centers, Collaborative Classroom has partnered with Hand to Mind to provide an optional supplemental kit, sold separately from the core program, filled with hands-on manipulatives like jumbo tweezers, sandpaper letters, and magnetic activity trays. These tools ensure that play-based learning is both engaging and instructionally purposeful. Beyond the physical materials, your implementation is supported by the Learning Portal. This digital hub streamlines your preparation, instruction, and assessment processes by providing instant access to reproducibles, instructional media, and digital assessments. Visit ccclearningportal.org to get started. By combining these high-quality materials with sensitive, encouraging interactions, you are building a sturdy foundation for every child in your care. Pinecone Path is here to walk alongside you, ensuring your students feel known, capable, and ready for kindergarten. Join us as we plant the seeds for student success and set them on a clear path toward confident learning. Welcome to Pinecone Path.